everybody. So here's a little update. I'll put a couple pictures in really quick of this job. This is the one that I did a video on, how to bid a kitchen remodel video. There we go. Oh, thanks. My favorite Sparky let me in. Well, my second favorite now that my son's an electrician. All right, so I'll put some more pictures in here, interweave with this one. Where we're at is the customer did all the main demo of the cabinets. Countertops, walls. We came in and took down the soffits, opened up all the plywood on the walls. So the electrician's in here now making some sense of all the spaghetti that was in the walls, spaghetti wires, up in the soffits. When there's a big drywall soffit, oftentimes the electricians won't drill through the plates, they'll just go around the wall cavities. So when we were doing this, we put out the plans of the kitchen on every wall. So this is the layout of the cabinets. These are an IKEA cabinet that we're putting in. I'll show you those in a second. That way the electrician knows where to put all the outlets, and so on. So this is an old remodel. They put the tile right on top of the wallboard or the plywood. Plumber needs to come in and straighten all this out for us. In Oregon, Oregon general contractors are not allowed to do pretty much any electrical or any plumbing. Those are only by specialty licensed plumbers and electricians. So that's why you'll see us oftentimes, we'll be cutting some stuff out, but then we have to wait and let our specialty licensed guys come in and put it all back together. Yeah, so it's looking really good. Jesus is working on getting rid of the upper part of this wall, and then this section of the wall is going to get smaller. And it used to be a 16-inch cabinet right there. Now there will be no cabinet there, and it'll just be about an 8-inch sliver. And the reason we're doing that is because we have a whole bunch of rafters that are up here, and this is kind of a point load for some of the actual roof, not the ceiling, but the actual roof. So this has to be carried down. We'll be adding some more supports in here when we're doing that. All right, let me take you out and I'll show you the IKEA cabinets that Bill's been working on for the last day and a half. All right, so down here is the customer's hallway, or customer's garage. And so basically Bill has been back here just putting all the boxes together from IKEA. This stack of cardboard was about 6-7 feet tall, and now we've got a whole garage bay full of boxes.
I never want to see another IKEA cabinet.
Are they easy to put together?
Yeah, they're pretty simple.
Follow the instructions.
Yep.
Pretty easy to put together. It's been a pretty seamless process. We might do a whole nother video just on the IKEA cabinets. I know there's lots of other people that have already done that, but we might do some more. Well, there's our quick update. IKEA cabinets getting put together, kitchen's getting torn apart a little bit more. We've got a little bit more building, or putting the kitchen back together, and then we'll show you guys an update once we're starting setting all these cabinets and stuff. I don't think you guys really care to see putting all the drywall up and painting the cabinet or painting the kitchen. That's kind of boring. Well, maybe we'll show you a little bit of the flooring that we're doing, but yeah, good times. All right, there's your update.